This 2022 CrossRoads Cruiser Aire 28 RKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, oven, skylight, spare tire kit, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, external shower, air conditioning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 CrossRoads Cruiser Aire 28 RKS is 6,966 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.